Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. This is the third video from series of the Apache Kafka, and in this video I want to show you how you can ingest data into Kafka topic. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me until end and let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure your Kafka broker is up and running. Like what is my Kafka broker now is fine. If you don't know how to up and running the Kafka broker, you can watch my previous video, and I have explained it how you can also create your Kafka topic. So I have created one topic, and also my broker is up and running. Then you have to go to the folder, your Apache Kafka, which you already extracted from the source file of the Apache Kafka. Then go to the bin, Windows, and make a new terminal cmd command terminal here, and you would need to drop such this command. So Kafka console-producer.bat, and then there is a space hyphen topic. This is the name of the topic. You can customize it, and then also a space and hyphen. This is the address of your Kafka broker. So I'm going to drop this command. Once you drop this command, it's waiting to get some data. So you can see there is a now blinking the one, we can say the waiting for next command. So in that case, you can drop the data. So I am going to drop one of the data which I have here, and it's aligned with my structure. So now if there is no any error or any problem, just will ask you for the next one. For the sake of we can say the to see whether this producer now is ingesting data properly, and then you can see that you can connect with the consumer of this Kafka, and then to see really this data is ingested properly or no. This is something which is for the next video. I would like to explain at that video for you that how you can we can say that connect or consume the data from that specific Kafka topic, and to see that okay, whether it is all the data can be seen over there, or you can just see the latest value. But again, I'm dropping another data, so you can see. Here you go. Once it goes to the next row, it means that now already this data is ingested successfully into the that we can say the producer, or we can say the Kafka topic, and now is ready for connect with the consumer and then to see the data. Just for the purpose of this demo, I would connect it to the consumer, and I want to show you how when you are dropping some data, how it will consume the data. And you can see now the data already added here, and this is my consumer and this is the producer. Once the data ingested into message as an event to the event bus, and then you can consume this event bus and get the data as an on demand. So this is the solution for we can say the sending the data into Kafka topic, and then how you get it. Again, next session I will explain that the we can say the commands which you can use that command for consuming the data. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe to help me promote my channel. It's very important to activate the notification button. Once I have uploaded the video, YouTube will inform you. So please make sure you trigger and activate this feature. If you have any question in this regard, please drop your question in comments below. Definitely I will get back to you in the right time with the right answer. Thank you again. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.